Welcome back to A Village Life in France on a Saturday afternoon. Been a lovely morning in the garden. A bay tree behind me has been trimmed. Weeds have been pulled and pulled and pulled, and some winter seeds have gone in. Apart from that, that's about it. Just trying to keep the chaos under control. Things you do. It's nice, we've got some roses that have kicked off again. Guess that'll be the end of it. Nice bit of lettuce. There we go. And now, oof, nice and dark for you. Couple of projects I've been working on, or I have to work on. Things you do to keep busy so that you don't get more things to do to keep you busy. You just tackle this thing. Welcome to A Village Life in France, and what to do on the weekend when your firewood's in, your pears are almost harvested, it's getting a little cooler, and you need to be doing something so that you don't get given a list of other things to do because somebody thinks they're being helpful. Just saying. So, a couple of projects on the way. So, a couple of projects that I've been working on, or have to work on. I know, it's a bit of a brothel in here at the moment, bordel. So, there we go. Can we see that? That is you can't see it because I can't see it. There we go. A mate I cycle with asked me to make him one of these. Most Americans, I assume will not know what that is. That's called a shove halfpenny board. Halfpenny being half penny. And it's, I guess it would have been a bar game, a pub game. And you get 5 pennies. And from here, you push them up and you have to land between the lines. So he never asked me for anything, and he sort of said, "Oh, could you make one of those?" I said, "Yeah." So that's all recycled. That's probably oak. It was a mantle that came out of this house that we've just renovated over the last few years, because there were 1, 2, 3, 4 fireplaces in the house, because that's how they kept warm. So this is a mantle off of one of them that we don't have anymore. So yeah, that should keep him busy in winter. And then the other thing is I've got to turn these slats into a tray. These slats, so that when Sweetie's rendering video, so that you guys have got entertainment and things to watch, it's so the computer can sit on here and we can get some air under there, because she's worried about it getting hot. So that's something else that'll be recycled from something else and turned into a tray for her. So that's on my list of things. Might try that this weekend. What else? Nothing else really. Yeah, wouldn't be a video from me without a bike. In there somewhere is a bike. That's going to get turned into a canal bike. And you'll understand what that is when you see it finished. Right. So now I have to have some lunch, Head upstairs. Honeydew list is increasing. Take some photos of some artwork. The garden's been gardened. That's about it. That's a busy Saturday. All right, we'll see you later, and there'll be other things.